Hi everybody, it's Sandra. Today you are joining me for a very exciting video. It's the first Sezane spring review and styling here on my YouTube channel. As usually, I will talk you through each piece in detail and show you several ways you can actually style each one of the pieces. So grab your favorite drink and let's get started. So here I'm wearing the Kelly blouse in floral rouge or red floral, made in a blend of linen and cotton. It has balloon sleeves, elbow length with elasticated bottom that adjusts to the arms. Love the print, it's really beautiful, perfect for spring and summer. It's a statement piece and so you just need to style it with a simple pair of denim jeans. It has this square frilled neckline with buttoned placket and the perfect length to tuck. Even with my arms up, it doesn't get out of my jeans. So I'm wearing size European 38 or US 6. And these are the Flora hoops in poppy, and they are available in other colors as well. They are lightweight and I just love them. I'm wearing my leather nude slingbacks. These are from 7 or 9 and they are incredibly comfortable. In this outfit I'm wearing the Jordan blouse in khaki with ecru embroidery made in organic cotton. It's a beautiful green, cropped design but not too short, puff sleeves with a large cuff with covered buttons. Really beautiful. It has a round neckline with this braid all around it and closes with a button at the back. This is a gorgeous embroidery in ecru on the front and sleeves. Beautiful details, unique. Like I always say, you know this is a Sezane piece, not seen elsewhere. I'm wearing again size European 38 or US 6. This is the ARL Jumper in ecru with brown crochet details and crochet buttons. This jumper has a polo collar, a huge trend this year. It's made in a blend of merino wool and organic cotton. It's really soft and it's a fitted design. I'm wearing size large because size medium was already sold out. Just love these brown details. I'm styling it with a pair of brown denim jeans, but with tailored trousers would also look really good, making this high-low mix outfit. And this is the Lydia T-shirt in cream red roses. It's made in 94% organic cotton and 6% elastane. This is a long-sleeved t-shirt, perfect for these early spring days. It has a V neckline with little buttons covered in the same fabric. It's a lower cut neckline as you can see, but it isn't too low in my opinion, at least for my body and my shape. I think it's quite flattering on the body. Last but not least, the Gaston scarf in this red print. Really beautiful accessory. Perfect to add a pop of red into your outfits. The Gaston scarf is made in 100% organic cotton. It's really soft and I just love these kind of accessories. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons below. It's free and there's a lot more coming soon in the next week. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!